This is Christoph recording the Tascam from around, let's say 1 foot away right now. Now I'm going to step 1 foot to the right. This is Christoph recording from 1 foot to the right. Now I'm going to do 1 foot to the left. Now this is recording from 1 foot to the left. Now I'm going to start walking backwards from the forward. Right in front of it, I'm going to start walking backwards until I'm around 4 feet away, 5 feet away, 6 feet away, 7 feet away, 8 feet away, 9 feet away, and around 12 feet away right now. So I'm back up against the wall. You can hear me speak. Now I'm going to go closer up to it, and then I'm going to try whispering in it right now. Hello? I'm around 1 foot away from the Tascam DR-05. Now I'm going to try playing an instrument. From around 10 feet away, I'm playing an instrument. Not yet. My guitar is out of tune. Alright, that's enough of that. So, that's pretty much the prerequisite. Now I'm going to try walking around to show you how motion sounds. Alright, I'll take it off the tripod. Now I'm holding it in my hand right now, around full arm's length around, and I'm walking around. Can you hear the ambient noises? The light just turned on. I'm still walking around. Hopefully there's not too much shake. Now I'm going to blow in it. Hello? Alright, that should sound horrible, but there's that. Cool. Stop recording in 3, 2, 1. Hello, this is Christoph recording from around 30 feet away. Let me just attach this to the tripod in 1 moment. Alright, so it's recording. I set the input levels to, which are variable. I've set input setting is on 20. And volume is... Hello? Alright, so it stopped recording. Then we'll do it again. This is the Tascam recording from around 1 foot away. 1 foot away from the right, and we're going to be rotating to 1 foot away from the left. Alright, that's cool. Now let's go 2 feet away, 2 feet away, 3 feet away, 3 feet away, 4 feet away, 5 feet away, 6 feet away, 7 feet away, 9 feet away, 10 feet away, 11 feet away, 12 feet away, 13 feet away, 14 feet away, And this is around 15 feet away, and I'm probably in the ambient surrounding right now. This shouldn't really be noticeable, but you should hear a little noise because there's nothing else to hear. Alright, now I'm going to be walking closer up, and I'm returning back to the Tascam DR-05, and I'm going to try whispering into it. Hello, this is Christoph. I'm whispering from around half a feet away. If you can hear this, that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to be shouting at the Tascam really close to it. Hello! Alright, that's cool. Hopefully that works. Bye.